Every time Bolt executes a dbt command, dbt generates a set of artifacts, such as manifest.json, catalog.json, run-results.json, and sources.json. These files are instrumental in analyzing, troubleshooting, and optimizing your Bolt schedules, and you can access them through your run logs. To do this, navigate to the run history of a specific Bolt schedule, select one of the executions, and then scroll down to Logs and Artifacts. Here, you can choose one of the specific dbt commands executed in your schedule, such as dbt run. The first log presented is the summary log, which provides a Dino AI-generated overview of the dbt command execution, including warnings and potential fixes. Following this, you'll find the console logs, which offer a detailed chronological record of all your operations. Finally, the debug logs provide comprehensive details, including system-level operations for more complex problem-solving. By regularly reviewing these logs, you can swiftly identify and rectify issues, optimize your dbt models for superior performance, and gain valuable insights into your data transformation process.